A man who dares to waste 1 hour of time has not discovered the value of life. Ignorance more frequently begets confidence than does knowledge. If the misery of the poor be caused not by the laws of nature, but by our institutions, great is our sin. We stopped looking for monsters under our bed when we realized that they were inside us. I am not apt to follow blindly the lead of other men. It is not the strongest of the species that survives, not the most intelligent that survives, it is the one that is the most adaptable to change. The mystery of the beginning of all things is insoluble by us, and I for one must be content to remain an agnostic. The highest possible stage in moral culture is when we recognize that we ought to control our thoughts. Blushing is the most peculiar and most human of all expressions. Intelligence is based on how efficient a species became at doing the things they need to survive. Great is the power of steady misrepresentation. Man tends to increase at a greater rate than his means of subsistence. To kill an error is as good a service as, and sometimes even better than, the establishing of a new truth or fact. A moral being is one who is capable of reflecting on his past actions and their motives, of approving of some and disapproving of others. There is grandeur in this view of life, with its several powers, having been originally breathed by the Creator into a few forms or into one. I see no good reasons why the views given in this volume should shock the religious views of anyone. What a book a devil's chaplain might write on the clumsy, wasteful, blundering, low, and horribly cruel work of nature. I love fools' experiments. I am always making them. Man is descended from a hairy-tailed quadruped, probably arboreal in its habits. A scientific man ought to have no wishes, no affections, a mere heart of stone.